Hey guys, this is gonna be an unboxing of the what's it called? Like the Huameng RS3M, no, YS3M. Huameng RS3M. Yes. Very confusing name. I got this a couple of weeks ago. I saw people, I knew Luke Garrett used to main this. It has like the auto alignment, which I've been very interested in. So let's just dig right in. Fuck me. Oh fuck. All right. The box. As usual, this is pretty compact, relatively speaking. I know Moya is going crazy with their boxes, but how do you open this? There. This is the, I believe, it's not UV coated, but it does have the magnetic core. I think that's all you need. Honestly, I think UV coating is pretty overrated, but a lot of people like most flagship cubes come with it nowadays, so you don't really have a choice. But like as soon as you go over the $50 range, then it's probably gonna have it. So yeah, oh yes, Yufeng Du, right? What's his name? I forgot his name. Probably says here, but I can't read Chinese, so yep. Let's see, what does this come with? Okay, so screwdriver. So I guess it doesn't have Maglev. We'll have to see very soon. The random ass tutorial, the useless ass tutorial that no one reads. Very interesting box. It's just like iridescent, as you could see. Okay, whatever. Kind of a beefy little side package we have. And as for the cube itself, here it is. Oh, fuck, how do you open these? Oh, okay. Okay, interesting. It's pretty matte feeling. See the auto alignment. There's no auto alignment. Okay, interesting. I want to take our edge off. Oh, it does not have magnets. What the? Interesting. I thought it would have core magnets. That's a bit disappointing. Just break it in a little. Yeah, it's very sandy, obviously. But honestly, not as sandy as some other recent releases. Pretty smooth, very stable. I know a lot of people are saying this is very, very stable. Let's see, how would I solve this? Maybe like this? Oops, yeah, like that. Then wow. Okay, I think this is easily my main. Oh, it doesn't have the auto lining I was looking for. I guess maybe only the UV version has that. I don't know. Someone told me that this cube had an auto alignment. Okay. Well, it's much more stable than the RS3M, the Super RS3M V2, I think is what it's called, and the ball core. I don't know, these names are getting out of hand. Okay, oh yeah, obviously yellow. Let's try to plan a pair. Okay, this is gonna end up here. and then these won't affect it. So I just, okay. So it's like that. Oh, I know this alg. It's like, no. From this angle? I don't know angle. I think it's from this angle. It's like, yeah. No, don't run away. Okay. Blue's pretty good. I think I'll probably do blue. Like this, and then is there any other pair I could track? Yeah, so it's like like that. Hold on, it's like, oh fuck, I messed that one up. Yeah, very nice. I'm gonna lube this and see what happens with it. Let's try to find this pair. It's gonna end up like here. Yeah, I'm gonna lube it and I'll be right back. Actually, I can show the process. It's very simple. All I do is I used to have angstrom. Tried looking for it all morning, but I have no idea where it went. It's like the angstrom gravitas, I think. It's like Vaseline sort of looking like. Okay, so yeah, I don't need to remove an edge for this. Just put a little. Okay, a dollop there. Maybe a dollop like. There, I think that's enough of this. Okay, and then put a little drop of silk. I can't believe myself. This is from like 2017, it must have been. Either that or it's Martian, I don't remember. One more drop. There. I think that's all I need. Okay. A bit slower now, obviously. It's like a lot smoother. Yeah, ain't no auto aligning happening. Not even here. That and then wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 moves. Okay, what about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there a faster way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try that. And this is gonna be preserved, I think. Ideally, if this was the edge, maybe if I could put that there. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's like this, that. Let's solve that right there. Okay. Do more solves. I really want to get like sub 6 global, and then, you know, because I've been keeping for way too long, and there's way too many people that got way better than me, so I'm trying to come back to glory, you know? Yeah, so I was gonna look. Okay, so there's a screw, so it's definitely like a, you know, the spring and the screw system. Interesting. Okay. Wait, do I know this? No. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then can I track? Let's track these two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it just comes here, and then. Dun, dun. Oh, okay. And I think. Yeah, so it's gonna be green up here. Okay, so it's gonna be flipped. So watch. Oh, okay, right there. That, and then, oh, before like that, and then you do that. Slash. Try to track these two. I think it will just be separated like this. Yeah, okay, so it's like that. Oh, I don't know this one. I should know this one. It's like that or something. Whatever. I just know it just does that. Easy. Yeah, so yeah, overall it is turning very nicely. I think because of the lube, it's still a bit slippery, or my hands or whatever. Oh, it's an easy one to track. And then there. So, and then you take it out and insert. So, that. You even cancel. Even though, okay. And then this one is that. Very easy to turn. What else? Doesn't lock up at all. It is extremely stable, I will give it that. Even without the edge auto-aligning things. Oh, this one I think, I don't know if this is the alg everyone uses, but what I do is so sort of, if you cover these two, or actually, I cover like that, this block looks like a Sundal skip, right? Because this bar here, opposite colors, so you do that. And then it leads into this, like, what is this? Very, very easy ZBLO, right? Problem is you have to like re-recognize again after the first alg, so it's not the best. But I think if I do that, or it could probably be a lot faster.